In this video, I want to show you how to zoom in and out in CapCut PC. If there is a part of your video you want to lay emphasis on and you want to zoom in to lay emphasis and also zoom out, I want to show you how to do it in CapCut PC. So open your project and drop your video on the timeline. So once it is on your timeline, come to this playback button and drag it to where you want to lay the emphasis on. For example, let's assume I want to zoom in at this very point in time. So just drag the playback button to that very point you want to zoom in and zoom out. So then click on the video to select it. Once you select it, make sure you are under video, come under basic, then come here under position and size. You will see an icon here called add keyframe. So keyframe is the tool we are going to use to zoom in and out in CapCut PC. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see a diamond point being inserted at that very point of the video. So now let's assume I want to zoom in that video up to this extent, for instance. So once you are at the point you want to zoom it up to, you can use any of the point at the edges of this video to expand it, or you can use the scale. So if I choose the scale, you can see by default it's at 100% scale. So if I can adjust it, for example, to this level, then you can now position your video to the exact point you want to zoom in to. So let's assume I want to show information at this very point in time of the video. So immediately you adjust your video like that, the second keyframe will be inserted. Now if I go back and play the video, let me play it. You can see the video, it's zoomed in to that very point. But let's assume after the second point, I want it to zoom out. So what I can do is to put the playback cursor at the point I want it to zoom out. If I want it to zoom out at this point, once the playback cursor is at the point I want the video to zoom out to normal, then I can come back here and adjust the video to 100% scale. Then I can bring the video to normal, just like this. So you can see immediately a point has been inserted, that is a keyframe. So if I now go back and play the video, let me play it for you to see. You can see it's zoom in and then zoom out. So you can see this is how to zoom in and out a video in CapCut PC. Thank you for watching.